Hello, my name is Will Miller and I want to show you how to log into Zoom.us without having to download anything to your browser. So the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Zoom.us. Sometimes your teachers might send this to you, but I'm just going to type it in. And then you need to go ahead and join a meeting. Type in the personal link being sent to you. Click join. Now right here it's asking you to download something. Just hit cancel and join from browser. And you're going to need to type in your name. Might even ask you for you to sign in via Google. Okay, so at this point you're joined in and you're just waiting for the meeting to start. Now you're going to want to go ahead and hit join audio by computer to see the full screen and also to join your audio. I hope this helps. Thanks.